Now we're going to go deep in all the concepts, everything you need to know to create and carve shapes into the hair. All the concepts and the fundamentals we need to understand, we're about to see now. We're going to understand about elevation. Elevation is how far the hair travels from its natural shape. Here, it's natural shape. You cut here, 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 and follow rounded. Okay, now I want to create a square shape. All the sides need to be pulled in vertical sections and cut all just out. The top away, the sides the same, and the back is straight. And then you just connect it, but you don't follow the shape. Cutting angle is the angle that your finger are pointing at. Square, rounded. You don't have to curve your finger, you just need to angle that. All these are angles of your finger, and depending on the angle of your finger is the shape you are creating. This is all connected, this is all related. You're gonna do at once different things. Elevation, cutting angle, body position, hand position. At once, without notice, you are doing that. So it's always connected, everything is related. The head tension, I will teach you how, what is that? Over direction, layers, panels, and subsections. That's what we're gonna learn now. First thing we're going to do and understand is elevation. Elevation refers to lifting the hair away from the head shape, away from it. The head direction. Elevations define the techniques being used. Elevation, 180 degrees. 90 degrees, 0 degrees, okay? Everything above 90, you're creating a massive of layers. You're creating layers. You will understand what layers means. Everything under 90 degrees, the hair, you're creating graduation and building up weight. The more you elevate the hair, so 0 elevation, heavy, no graduation. So 90 is here, right? 90 is here. So the more you elevate the hair, the more graduation and less weight is built. When you get to the point of 90 degrees, there's no weight anymore. It removed totally. You're starting creating layers. Layers, you will understand, is a removal of weight. So everything lower than 90, heavy weight, and graduation. So when you pull down, 0 elevation, too much weight. When we use diagonal back, it's a little bit under 90. A little bit under 90, we are creating graduation. It's not too heavy yet. 0, heavy, graduation, no graduation, 0. So the angle of my fingers, it says a lot of the techniques is being created. Let's say we're creating a bowl cut. We call that bowl cut, right? We bring everything to our line, our length too, and if we cut all this hair, you see how heavy? This hair is dropped on top of the line, so it's too much weight. So this is 0. So 45 degrees will be diagonal. Once we take a diagonal section, we're building up weight, but it's a graduation. So long to short. You see my finger create more graduation, and the more 0 degrees, the more heavy it will be. Okay, so heavy, graduation, now. Zero, graduation, 90. It's just a different position of my body and my hands, but it's always 90. So from now on, there's no graduation, there's no heaviness. From now on, from a 90 degrees to a 180, If you cut here, everything from here, 90 degrees, layered, no graduation. If you kept cutting, following over 90, you're creating more layers. From the top a little bit, more layers. And the hair will be more loose and more with more movement.